You've got your work cut out here. This place is an absolute mess. Work together, create, innovate, and get this place up and running. Your job is to redesign this supermarket so that it doesn't just look good, but works well for staff, customers, and the business itself. And this is what we're working towards, a new venture, one that fulfills customer needs, creates commerce, and looks amazing.
Okay, I'm here at the distribution centre. This is where goods come before being shipped to the supermarket. It's massive.
It's time to start looking at our investment in technology, streamlining the shopping process.
Okay, this is our marketing department. We need you to think about rebranding and marketing opportunities for this project.
We're thinking about logos and branding.
Might be time for a relaunch with a new name and a sparkling new logo.
If you're covering commerce and business management, come find us. This is just one of 100 incredible learning experiences.